I'm honored just to be here and to accept it. Louis Armstrong is the height of American culture.
Lincoln Center is where I grew up.
The performing arts mean everything to me.
If you have to do it, you got to do it.
You have to do it.
Well, we're of course very, very proud as family of my father, Plácido Domingo, being inducted into the Lincoln Center Hall of Fame. He's an intrinsic part of Lincoln Center.
Lincoln Center is everything to me, and so much of my inspiration is because of this organization.
This sends a message that arts are important in the United States. We need to keep that message going for the young kids. They need to have this type of inspiration